Now let's size the model and generate G-codes using Creality software. First we have to import the STL file here. Now we can see that the file has been scaled up automatically. We have to reduce it and resize it using the scale command. Here we need the sides to be 30 mm. We have to enter the values as 30. Also we should make sure that the uniform scaling command has been selected, or else the cube won't be scaled uniformly. After scaling down our cube to the required size, we have to click on size. Now we can see the preview of the entire printing process here. Now we can save the file. This will be saved in G-code format. This can be copied into a memory card, and memory card can be inserted into a 3D printer, and the printing process can be carried out. This is the model of the cube after printing it using a 3D printer. Thanks for watching.